Hello, good day. Andy here with Pop RVs. We are ready for fun on the open road. We've got a cross-country sports coach. This is the 404RB model. Huge rear bedroom, king-size bed, 1.5 baths, total of 4 slide-outs, created an expansive interior. We've got side and rear cameras. Cummins diesel powered. Nice appearance overall on the outside. Got entertainment with a Roku TV out here. Full storage and double pull-out tray underneath. Forward and main awnings. You got DirecTV satellite. Let's take a look inside. Electric steps, screen door. You got the filler panel for the floor here. Keep your passenger nice and happy. Matte lights. Power panel. A little wear on the upholstery. Still comfortable to sit on though. Everything right within the driver's reach. Nice clear gauges. Leveling controls. Got a massive Samsung flat panel TV, and the shade curtains are really doing their job keeping that sun out of the front windshield. 2 sofas and a dinette for seating, and another huge TV behind the passenger sofa. Kitchen has a Frigidaire, gallery, microwave, and convection oven. 2-burner induction stovetop, storage above and below, and a nice dual basin sink. The dinette's currently set up as a bed for the video purposes. And then a really neat feature is the push button operation on the drop down bunks, so another 2 can sleep comfortably. The 4 slides really expand the interior living space. Again, this is the 1.5 bath model. Got the half bath in here, good amount of space. Simple foot pedal flush toilet, and again storage up above and below the countertop. Massive Frigidaire, 3-door fridge and freezer with ice maker and water on the front, and a large freezer drawer down below. Moving into the rear bedroom, privacy door closes off this entire area. You got entertainment along the passenger side. Again, a Samsung flat panel TV, massive king-size bed, side windows, storage above, and there's a huge storage locker under the bed itself. Moving to the rear, we've got our full-size bath, again, tile flooring inside it, shower stall, another huge rear closet, and then a Techna toilet, storage above and below this rear sink, and a really neat feature, gotta love, stackable washer and dryer unit, great for life on the open road. Take some time, check out all of the high resolution photos we have posted on poprvs.com, and give me a call today. My name's Andy. Look forward to meeting you for a walkthrough tour. Let's get you out there cruising and having fun. Talk to you soon.